3, 2, 1.
Which psychologist proposed the concept of cognitive dissonance? The answer is D. Festinger. What is the fastest known particle in the universe? The answer is B. Photon. Which fruit starts with the letter D and is used in making wine? The answer is B. Date. Who created the powerful Dragon Balls in the Dragon Balls series? The answer is C. Guru. Who led the U.S. forces during World War II Battle of Normandy? The answer is C. Dwight D. Eisenhower. What is Khan Sufanausenfon's dog's name on the TV show King of the Hill? The answer is D. Doggy. Plants in a forest need to obtain nutrients from the soil to survive. How do most of the nutrients get back in the soil once the forest plants have used them for growth? The answer is A. Organic matter recycles from dead organisms. Which chemical is used to produce morphine? The answer is C. Opium poppy. Which series of horror movies were greatly influenced by a painting by Edvard Munch? The answer is C. Scream. What is a zodiac sign based on? The answer is A. Star constellations. The movement Pitera Metaphysica metaphysical painting that presents an alternative and illogical reality was founded in 1917 by which Italian artists? The answer is B. Carlo Cara and Giorgio de Chirico. Which tool is used to observe the cell wall of a leaf? The answer is D. Microscope. Who played Jim Halpert on The Office? The answer is A. John Krasinski. What is the title of J.D. Salinger's famous work about a disillusioned World War II veteran? The answer is A. The Catcher in the Rye. What century are the Time Force Rangers from? The answer is A. 31st. What song was performed by Bethany Joy Lenz and Tyler Hilton in the series One Tree Hill? The answer is B. When the Stars Go Blue. The TV series Little House on the Prairie was loosely based on a children's series of books, written by which author? The answer is C. Laura Ingalls Wilder. Which sport uses a javelin as its main equipment? The answer is A. Track and field. The carrying angle is larger in females to accommodate their what? The answer is B. Wider pelvis. What country has a prime minister instead of a president? The answer is D, United Kingdom. What line of latitude is in equal distance from both the North and South poles? The answer is C, equator. What is the name of the antagonist group in Danganronpa Another Episode, Ultra Despair Girls? The answer is A, Warriors of Hope. What are muscle cells in the muscles called? The answer is A, muscle fibers. Hydrocarbons in which all carbons are connected by single bonds are called? The answer is D, alkanes. What is the full name of the famous British writer J.R.R. Tolkien, author of the trilogy The Lord of the Rings? The answer is D, John Ronald Reuel Tolkien. Which language has the smallest alphabet? The answer is D, Hangul Korean. What acting advice did director Martin Scorsese give to Paul Newman for the 1986 movie The Color of Money? The answer is A, try not to be funny. What does the female name Aisha mean? The answer is B, alive. What is the process by which the remains of living things become fossils? The answer is A, fossilization. Who is the Greek god of the sea and storms? The answer is B, Poseidon. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun during summer? The answer is B, Sweden. What professional team did hockey great Wayne Gretzky start his career with? The answer is B, Edmonton Oilers. What is the successor of Microsoft Windows XP? The answer is C, Windows 7. Which electronic component controls the flow of electricity? The answer is B, diode. What is the most popular religion in France according to official data from 2007? The answer is D, Roman Catholicism. Which tool would be best to use to determine how long it takes a cup of water to boil? The answer is C, stopwatch. Which is able to create its own nourishment from sunlight? The answer is A, roses. Which beetle was born on June 12? The answer is C, George Harrison. What is the sum of 11-4 plus 23-8? The answer is C. 97/16. What is Lord Voldemort's real name? The answer is B. Tom Marvolo Riddle. Who wrote The Old Man and the Sea? The answer is C. Ernest Hemingway. Behaviors that are closely controlled by genes and have little to no environmental influence are called what kinds of behaviors? The answer is D. Innate behaviors. Which electronic device is used to project images onto a screen? The answer is A. Projector. What is the Roman counterpart of the Greek god Apollo? The answer is A. Jupiter. Which word refers to a sound caused by abnormal or pathological heart valves? The answer is A. Murmur. What name is given to a plant that grows from seed and flowers and dies within a year? The answer is B. Annual. Whether focused on ancient life, the life of bacteria, or how humans could live on the moon, four unifying principles form the basis of what branch of science? The answer is C. Biology. Bracket fungi grow and feed on the dead wood inside of trees. What is the role of bracket fungi in an ecosystem? The answer is C. Decomposers. Which school supply holds a variety of pens, pencils, and erasers together? The answer is A. Pencil box. In the TMNT episode Bebop and Rocksteady Conquer the Universe, what do Bebop and Rocksteady do to the turtles?